So this is the customer's Murphy DS602 doing 3.6 watts, and we've received down to 0.35 of a microvolt for 12 decibels. Hopefully Mr. Chippie's out there. As ever, we're running on the internal speaker rather than the external speaker. Tango 21, Mr. Chippie, do you copy?
Tango 21, looks like this radio's playing that game again.
Oh, it's not even been that cold, but there you are. Okay, well, I'm all ears.
Yep, roger that. Well, we're coming up to the end of the line.
Roger, got you at the end of the lane.
Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie, now passing Ancaster service station.
Roger, got you at Ancaster service station.
Right, we're now square wheeled at Ancaster Crossroads.
Roger, got you at the crossroads.
Roger. Right, we're now going over the top of the hill as we go down in towards Wilsford. Over.
Roger, got you at the top of the hill.
Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie. We're now going round Scratchy Corner, Wilsford. Over.
Roger, got you going round Scratchy Corner at Wilsford, loud and clear. And I'm doing 3.6 watts over. Tango 21, Mr. Chippie, did you get that?
Yes, I did, but this radio seems to be getting worse as we're going along.
Okay, Roger. Well, not this radio, it's that Midland 78 plus multi in blue that he's struggling with.
Right, we're now going over Wilsford Level Crossing.
Roger, got you going over Wilsford Level Crossing.
Roger. Right, we're now going past the Kelby turn.
Tango 21 got you at the Kelby turn.
Roger. Right, we're now passing the Grayleys turn.
Roger, got you at the Grayleys turn.
Roger. Tango 21 from Chippie. We're now going over the Gloucester Level Crossing.
Roger, got you going over Rossby Level Crossing. That concludes the test. Thank you. That's worked fine over.
Yeah, roger that. Pity this set didn't. There you go, 10-10.
Okay, 10-10. Right, that worked fine. We'll go over to our base station. That's a standard replacement microphone, but not one of ours. It's the coffin type, whereas we do the other type. Right, see what it sounds like. Tango 21 testing the customer's Murphy DS602 with a replacement microphone into our Harrier CBHQ base station. Testing 1 2 3 4 5 5 4 3 2 1, and thank you for watching.